In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zendesk account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a Zendesk account is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, making it as easy as possible for you. So let's dive right in. First, you need to start your trial. To do this, head over to Zendesk.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the button that says Start Your Free Trial. You can find it either right in the center of the page or in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that button. This will initiate the registration process. Now, the next step is entering your personal details. You will follow a series of prompts that will guide you through this part. First, you'll need to enter your work email address. After that, provide your first and last name. Lastly, you'll be asked for your contact phone number. Make sure to double-check everything, and once you're satisfied, simply click Next to move on to the next step. After you've submitted your personal details, it's time to provide some business information. Here, you'll input your company's name. Then, there's a drop-down menu where you need to select your employee count. You can choose from various options like 1 to 9 employees, or go for a larger selection if that's more applicable. Finally, select your preferred account language. Once done, click on Next to proceed. Now, let's get to a crucial step, creating a password. This password will be key for accessing your account in the future, so make sure it's secure. The platform will usually require a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and even special characters, so keep that in mind. Once you've set up a strong password, go ahead and click on Complete Trial Sign Up. Once you've finished signing up, the next thing to do is confirm your email. Head to your inbox and look for an email from Zendesk. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or promotions folder. When you find the confirmation email, open it, and you should see a button to verify your account. Click that button to authorize your account, and that completes the email verification process. Now, after confirming your emails, you'll be greeted with a setup prompt where Zendesk offers you some optional onboarding personalization questions. Feel free to fill these out to customize your experience and tailor the platform to suit your needs. However, if you prefer to skip this and dive straight into your dashboard, simply click No Thanks. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Zendesk account and are now ready to start exploring its features. Whether you're setting it up for personal use or for your business, you're on your way to offering top-notch customer service. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable content. Until